everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you another gluten-free recipe, this time coconut cookies. They will be absolutely delicious, I'm sure. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go back and egg. So the ingredients for the coconut cookies are going to be gluten-free, no flour added, and no added sugar either. 120 gram almonds. I have here 60 gram of coconut oil, 1 egg, pinch of salt, tablespoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of baking powder. That is 40 grams of dates, also 40 grams of dark chocolate chips, minimum 70% cocoa, and also 30 grams of desiccated coconut. So they all come together. You can use a mixer, you can use the blender. I'm gonna use my I'm gonna do it manually. You need a tray, a big tray for the cookies. The oven is preheating at 180, and we're going to put all the ingredients in the bowl except the chocolate cookies. That will happen at the very end. Yeah. So here we go, guys. It should be baked for about 15 minutes. So 15 at 180 until they get nice and golden on the edges, but keep an eye on them, yeah? So I'll see you when they are coming out. So here we go, guys. I took them out after 15 minutes. They're golden around the edges. They smell absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to try one. So very healthy, 96 calories per biscuit, gluten-free, no added sugar, coconut and almond cookies. Hope you enjoyed. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.